Welcome to my channel Laxo. For the past few months, we all hear too much on coronavirus. In this video, we will see what is this virus all about. How does that multiply in our human body and how our human body protects itself from this virus. This is being explained in simple terms for common man. Coronavirus are a family of RNA viruses. RNA means ribonucleic acid, a nucleic acid present in all living cells. Its principal role is to act as a messenger carrying instructions from DNA for controlling the synthesis of proteins. Deoxyribonucleic acid contains our genetic code, that is DNA, the blueprint of life. DNA is a long double-stranded molecule made up of bases located in the cell's nucleus. The double helical DNA is unzipped to expose the individual strands, and an enzyme translates them into a mobile intermediate message called ribonucleic acid RNA. The RNA is then transported outside the nucleus, the ribosome, to manufacture proteins. In this virus, there are spikes of protein around the RNA. The spikes resembles a crown. In Latin language, crown is called corona, and so this virus is called coronavirus. Coronaviruses are divided into 4 genuses: alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. These little invaders are zoonotic, meaning they can live in animals or in humans. Gamma and delta coronaviruses mostly infect birds, while alpha and beta mostly reside in mammals. Most people around the world will develop at least one of these viral infections over their lifetime. Those who contract these viruses are able to recover on their own most of the time. All viruses are like zombies. They try to take over people's bodies, but they are not really alive. Outside the host's body, they are dormant, surviving without living. Once touched or inhaled and brought inside, their ancient machinery springs into action, using proteins to latch on to and invade human cells. There they set up shop, producing millions of copies of themselves and causing those cells to rupture. The viral offspring shoot out into bloodstream with the goal of invading more and more cells. This virus enters the throat, settles down, and multiplies exponentially and creates throat pain, dry cough. When our body detects this virus, the body's immune system starts to work and thereby fever is experienced. Most of the coronavirus cannot survive this temperature and die. Let us see how our immune system works. When the virus enters our body, it is detected by 2 methods. One by the chemical substance produced by it, and the other by its physical size. White blood cells send in 2 particles, macrophages and neutrophils, to fight them. If the virus survives the attack by macrophages and neutrophils, immune system deploys innate lymphoid cells. The T killer cells, part of lymphoid cells, destroys the damaged body cells attacked by the virus and protects the body from further damage. They also reduce the number of cells being available for virus for attack. At this time, the remaining virus are attacked by B cells. B cells identify the virus by their physical size, catch them, drag them to lymph nodes, and kill them there with the help of chemicals present there. When the immune system works on virus spread to our lungs. There are billions of epithelial soft cells inside the lungs. Virus attaches itself to these cells with its spike, enters the cells and multiplies exponentially. In this process, epithelial cells are destroyed by the virus. In 10 days' time, the condition of the lungs worsens. Coronavirus also attacks the cells deployed by our immune system. And also virus sends multiple confusing information about cytokines, which is the chemical substance used by the body to transmit information within the body. Once confusing information is sent out by virus, T killer cells of our immune system are misdirected and start attacking good cells of our body. Then the lungs become weaker, and then other diseases such as pneumonia affect the lungs and takes the lives. The cytokines sent by the virus keep changing often, and so it becomes difficult to come up with medicine to kill the virus. One who has poor health such as diabetes, heart disease and lungs disease are susceptible to lose their lives, and those whose health is in good state are less prone to this virus. So it is advisable to maintain good health and avoid catching the virus. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel.